Vocabulary puzzles. Family adjectives describing people. Use the code to write family words. 1. Son. 2. Niece. 3. Cousin. 4. Uncle. 5. Sister. 6. Father. 7. Wife. 8. Granddaughter. 9. Husband. 10. Grandfather. 2. Find 5 more family words in the puzzle. Use 2 or 3 squares for each one. Example: daughter, mother, brother, aunt, nephew, grandson. Unscramble the letters to make adjectives. Then choose the correct words to complete the sentences. Duck, young, horrible, short, fair, old, noisy, nice, quiet. Molly is very noisy. Ellie has got fair hair. Joe is young. Ted is an old man. Simon has got dark hair.